Armenian Bird Milk Cake Recipe. Ingredients: sugar 1 cup, flour 1 cup, eggs 6, nectar 2 tablespoons, cocoa 2 tablespoons. Preparing pop: half a teaspoon include vinegar. For cream: eggs 10, gelatin 1.5 ounces 40 grams, sugar 2 cup, milk 1 cup, flour 1/5 tablespoons, vanilla concentrate 1 teaspoon. Spread 10/5 ounces 300 grams. For coating: cocoa 5 tablespoons, milk 3 tablespoons, sugar 0,5 container. Spread 3 to 4 tablespoons. Isolate egg whites from the yolks. Beat the egg whites continuously. Include sugar. Add nectar to the egg yolks and beat. Include egg yolks and egg whites and blend well. In the batter include cocoa and blend well. Bit by bit include flour and blend tenderly with the goal that the mixture was vaporous. Preparing pop: blended with vinegar and include the mixture and well blend. Absorb the gelatin 150 grams 5.5 ounces water, and let sit for 30 minutes. Isolate the egg whites from the yolks. Blend the 10 egg yolks with sugar 1 container and 1/5 tablespoons flour and mix well. Add 1 cup hot milk. Cook mixing. At that point, let cool. Include the margarine and vanilla, and whip. Whip the egg whites with 1 container sugar, and empty the gelatin into the whipped blend. Blend well. Whip the egg white. Combine egg yolk blend. The initial segment: put in spring heating dish and put all the cream. Put in the ice box for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes. Put the cake on a plate and cover with a moment part. Cream ought to be solid. To make the glazing, stir the milk, cocoa, sugar, and butter, and convey them to bubble. Pour coating over the cake, and place in an ice box. Scrumptious sweet cake.